you now, Ebukobi will die. You will not come out to fight. So what will make Ebukobi special from other people? That he cannot die. But he will be there and tell someone that will die. The Bible will die. Can see this useless idiot. See Ezeugo, I warned you. If you did not leave from this page, you can't even make agwu this year. Ezeugo, if you try again and make a video again about me, try it again. Last year I let you go. Abi, if you want to enjoy that your marriage, try and mention my name again. I will prove it to you or not. Where are you when we are fighting battle? Ezeugo TV. If you say you have power, make a video again, call my name. If I did not crush you, if you not became poor, you know I'm not a devil. You may make sure if it out by another. Try ya. Nkushia can help now. Let's say you're talking nonsense, gonna just Agbola. Yeah, that's just Agbola. What happened to you? Ask your girl Kobe. You're defending what you don't know. What do you know about spiritual? In a map that you all paper. When we are fighting in a idiot, I know here a criminal, a thief, a 419. Can you prove to us what you do? The drug dealers and the criminals in an outside country. Let us go to that country that you are. Let us not know that you're a thief. No, Ezeugo, let us comment that is there. Criminal. Try to make a video again, call my name. Try it. This is what you people are putting Ebuka into. Go to J Park. Who are you to talk about Mbaka is? Jeba said, Mbaka is evil. This one. Who are you to talk? When we are talking, look at this idiot. You're talking when I talk about. When I make money, where are you? When men are made, where are you? Look at idiots. When no get, okay, you show us one useless house. And then I say, chef. No, you're not somebody, chef. Idiot. Do you know God? Chukuka there. Ezeugo TV. Chukuka there. Try and make my video again. Try and make my name. I call my name again. Your video again. I'll try it. I'll prove it to you. This is no more say Ibuku. Mtawaras. Every man he said. Because I what there. Look at this idiot. Little kid. When we're talking, talk. Where are you? Where are you when I talk challenge all the men? Can I be no? In a different Christianity, in a church, turn aside you, make me feel again, call my name. I'll crush you, I swear. If I did not deal with you, you know I'm a bastard. Try it. Go and do that kind of video you do. Okay? In fact, you come and prove it. What did I do? You think I did not hear that? I watched that and I look at it, I said, this small boy, so let me just let you. Try it again. This year, I will not. I don't need to reply to you because one reason I'm taking it to you because you get to my page. You don't know that Ebukobi that worshiping Mary. No, but it's against God. They war here. You don't know that worshiping Mary is evil. You don't know that worshiping Mary is harvesting. Even now, nonsense. What do you know about church? What do you know about Roman Catholic? How many times have you come to make a video talk about the homosexual and Roman Catholic? How many times have you come to make a video talk about the evil happening in the Catholic Church? Ezeugo said God punish you. Try it. If this year again, in not December, I'm not a prophet. Go on your page, make a video, talk to my name, talk those in talk. I will not fight you. But even when December 2024, against next year. As I come back this December, I'm not try it. If you come back next year, I'll give you end of the year. Can I confirm one gap to with the video? I'm not only with or this one. Crash. I'll crush you, spiritual and physical. You know, if they call me, and you go to how can I be? Do you know how many occultic people that die because of me? Do you know how many people? The movie industry that I was talking number one, they even do, they send me assassin. What do you know about me? I'm living under the grace. So don't speak what you don't know. Because if I arrest you now, you don't have evidence to prove. Can you provide the where I'm going to talk about? You and Ndi Igbo and all those one. What do you know? J-Park that you are citing. J-Park, how much will J-Park in Akwa? And you're coming in a different Christianity. What do you come on and say that? Then do different Christianity. Useless idiots, criminals and 419ers and drug dealers in defending. What do you know about defending? No, what if it's not before because of me? Can you talk to Akoko? Can you talk to Ezeugo? Can you talk? Where are you? Then that I'm defending Christianity. I defending Christianity. I defending Christianity. Different way. Look at you idiots. What do you know? Do you know how many better I fought? You don't know that the Catholic is worshiping Satan. You don't know that the Catholic is more dangerous than anything Omenala. You are fighting. You don't know. As my people are perish for lack of knowledge, I fight Omenala. You don't know that the Catholic Church is more worse than Omenala. You don't know. As you go to TV, you don't know that Omenala Church, Omenala people are better 100% than the church. But let this be the last warning to you. Let it be the last warning to you. You will call my name, your program, and if you talk anything, go to your program and talk nonsense. I'm not talking to you. I never call your name. You don't know nothing about me. Even when in Nigeria, till tomorrow, you can never get where I get. Till they die, you can never get what you can't do what I do. Who have you helped? No, who have you helped? Show me who you have helped. Go see my phone in the village.